You are going to love the 2021 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, hill descent control, trailer brake controller, daytime running lamps, fog lamps, Sirius XM radio, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power outlet, center console. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.